iPhone XR. In order to buy the iPhone XR, how much amount of money you have to spend? That to Indian rupees, how much amount of money you have to spend is that 45,000 you have to spend on. So what was happened is that Rohit sir, whoever this person is there, he provided you a coupon. He provided you a coupon. ఒక coupon provide చేసిండు. He provided you a coupon. When you are trying to buy now, when you applied this coupon, what was happened is that you got 20,000 discount ma. 20,000 discount. You got 20,000 discount ma. You got 20,000 discount. I mean 20,000 discount అంటే 45,000 లో 20,000 డిస్కౌంట్ వచ్చింది. 20,000 డిస్కౌంట్ అంటే 45 లో 20 తీసి ఎంతమ్మా? 45 లో 20 తీసి I think it is a 25,000. So how much you have to spend now? How much amount of money you have to spend now? You are spending 25,000 only. How much amount of money you are spending now? You are spending 25,000 to buy the iPhone XR. So point ఏంది ఇక్కడ? You are still utilizing the money. You are still utilizing the money. But what was happened when you applied the coupon? So instead of buying the particular iPhone at 45,000, now you are buying it at 25,000 mark. So this coupon, whatever this coupon is there, consider this coupon as a enzyme. Consider that coupon as an enzyme. Consider that coupon as an enzyme, and what the enzyme is doing, it is lowering down the value. It is lowering down the value. 45,000. You paisa అయితే తీయాల్సిందే, పాకెట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి తీయాల్సిందే. You are okay, ma. Okay, I understand. Okay, let's clear it out. Wait a second. Where we are. So glucose, 9,000 kilocalories of energy you are providing, and 9,000 kilocalories energy kuda, the two is going to provide this energy, means that is the ATP is going to provide ma. So very simple. Ma. That's it regarding your topic called as activation energy. So what is activation energy means? What is activation energy means? Activation energy is the energy where you have to provide it to the reactant molecule so that they can break the energy barrier and they can react to each other and form particular respective product molecules. So what is going to happen here means the enzymes is what is the value, what is the property of our enzyme topic here is that enzymes. Let me tell you similarly. See, the same thing happens in your chemistry also. The same thing happens in your chemistry when you use a catalyst. Again, see this one also I forgot to mention you. What did I forget to mention you is that this case A, take the sucrose. How much amount of energy you are requiring? 39,000 kilocalories of energy, and the two options of the enzyme. And again, this reaction will take place in 1 hour. This reaction will take place in 1 hour, but this right answer reaction will take place in 1 minute again. Right answer reaction will take place in 1 minute. Again, this one point also you have to see. I mean, enzymes not only lowering down the activation energy, they are also increasing the rate of reaction. That also I forgot to tell you. Enzymes, whatever the enzymes are there, they are not only lowering down the activation energy. Activation energy low kuda cheyadam kaadu. At the same time, they are increasing the rate of reaction also. So, rate of reaction, yes, Rakesh, they are also increasing the rate of reaction. Just observe the, again, see, this is the assumption value. These are assumption, not exact values. These are assumption values that this much will take place, etc., at this particular time. Make you people understand sucrose to in the absence of the enzyme, how much amount of the energy requirement is very high, and at the same time it is taking. See, enzyme లేకపోవడం వల్ల sucrose molecule you are providing energy 39,000 kilocalories. ఆ టైంలో ఏంటంటే బాండ్స్ బ్రేకింగ్ కి, బాండ్స్ మేకింగ్ కి తనకు తాను చేసుకోవాలి కాబట్టి టైం కన్స్యూమింగ్ కాబట్టి హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ 1 hour time. But in the case of the B case, the sucrose molecule in the presence of sucrase is doing what? It is readily breaking the bonds. And it is requiring how much of energy? It is requiring just 9,000 kilocalories. And as the sucrase is there, and the rate of reaction is also very lower. So that you will be going to get to G and F molecules. So that is the glucose and the fructose molecules. So what you have to remember in this entire topic is that entire topic lo గుర్తుంచుకోవాలంటే, first of all you have to remember the energy barrier. This energy barrier is a barrier where it stops the reactant molecules. It stops the substrate molecules to readily react to each other. Energy barrier అనేది ప్రతి ఒక్క atom కు ఉంటది, ప్రతి ఒక్క molecule కు ఉంటదమ్మా. हर एक molecule को, हर एक atom को energy barrier रहेगा. It's a good thing actually, and it stops the molecules to readily react to each other. Readily react होने के लिए energy barrier stop kar raha hai. So in order to overcome the energy barrier, what you have to do, you have to provide the activation energy. You have to provide what? You have to provide the activation energy, and the activation energy, what it will do means it will break down the energy barrier. I mean, it will provide energy to the respective reactant molecules to overcome the energy barrier, such that they will start reacting to each other and they will produce the respective product molecules. That is your chemistry. Until here, this is entire part, activation energy and energy barrier. All this is your chemistry topic. So what is our topic? अपना topic क्या है बोले तो अपना topic is this one. There is a case A and case B. Case A में enzyme is absent. How much amount of calories you are requiring means 39,000 kilocalories you are requiring in our topic. But when you are bringing the enzymes to our topic, when you are bringing the boss, I can call directly sucrase or the enzymes. Not only sucrase, every enzymes. I can call every enzyme as a boss. Understand? इन आवर बॉडी अगर एंजाइम्स नहीं रहा तो कितना सारा एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा कि समझ लो, कितना सारा फूड खाना पड़ेगा कि समझ लो. అగర్ మన బాడీలో ఎంజైమ్స్ లేకుండా రియాక్షన్స్ చేయండి అని అంటే ఎంత అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ కావాలో అర్థం చేసుకోండి. హై అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ వి రిక్వైర్. సో హై అమౌంట్ వి రిక్వైర్ మీన్స్ వీ నీడ్ టు ఈట్ హెవీ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫుడ్. డైలీ ఏదో ఒక అర్ధ కిలో తింటాం ఫుడ్. అదే ఒకవేళ ఈ ఎంజైమ్స్ అనేటివి లేవు అనుకోండి, 5 కిలోల ఫుడ్ తినాల్సి వస్తుందమ్మా. 5 కిలోల ఫుడ్, 5 kilograms ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ మీన్స్ ద ఫార్మర్స్ హ్యాస్ టు ప్రొడ్యూస్ హెవీ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫుడ్. అండ్ ముందే చిన్న ల్యాండ్, అందులో కూడా వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ స్లోవర్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎకర్స్, అండ్ దాంట్లో కూడా ఫుడ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలంటే ఎక్సెట్రా ఎక్సెట్రా అంటే అర్థం చేసుకోండి ఎంత పెద్ద గ్లోబల్ ఎకనామిక్ క్రైసిస్ అవుతుందో. సో హూ ఈస్ సేవింగ్ ఇయర్, హూ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్లీ బాస్ ఇయర్? ఎంజైమ్స్ ఆర్ ద బాసెస్ మా. దే ఆర్ లోవరింగ్ డౌన్ ద యాక్టివేషన్ ఎనర్జీ and so that the sucrose molecule can be easily broken down into glucose and the fructose. Not only this reaction, but every reaction requires enzymes, and those enzymes are beautifully lowering down the activation energy such that we require lower amount of the energy kilocalories so that they can undergo reactions, etc., etc. Very simple ma. Remember what is energy barrier adagadu, just for the sake understand energy barrier. Activation energy, no need to worry, that topic will come in your chemistry again. Achin anukunta already stoichiochemistry or some sort of in your first year syllabus only chemistry activation energy topic ache untadi. Instead of me, your Rakesh sir or whatever the topic in your chemistry is it, that they will try to explain in a clear manner the two terms you need to see. And up to my topic, what I have to explain you is it, in the presence of enzyme, what is going to happen that you have to see. In the presence of enzymes, uh, case A and case B. Just take the screenshot this one. Screenshot this take this screenshot this quickly. I'm giving you like quickly take the. I will try to end the class also. తర్వాత రాసుకున్న అమ్మ నోట్స్ మెయింటైన్ చేయండి. దిస్ వన్ కూడా తీసుకోండి ఎందుకని మంచిది. Okay, if you are not taking the screenshots, don't worry ma. I will just provide this whatever the slides we are having now. I will try to provide ma. మీ గ్రూప్ లో వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెడతా చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో పెడతా, just try to see. That's it ma. We completed the activation energy topic. I hope it is very clear for you. Activation energy topic. We completed the activation energy topic also. We completed activation. We completed active site. We completed this one. We completed this one. So tomorrow ma, or is afternoon ama. Afternoon time is little bit problematic for me also. Try to see an alternative time during the evening ma.